everyone, my name is Saraf and today we will show you how to make a simple beef steak. The meat selection is very important for a good steak, and the best part of the cow for a good steak would be either from the rib, the short loin, or the tenderloin. This is just to show you the thickness of the steak, and you want to ensure that the cut is a little bit thicker so that you get a nice juicy steak and not a dry one. Now to seasoning, you can use whatever seasonings you like, but we will create a simple seasoning mix using salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and then mix. Now rub the seasoning mix onto your steak, and this does not need to be marinated so you can cook it immediately after. If you are using a cast iron skillet like we are here, make sure that the pan is really hot. I'm adding butter here, but you could also use olive oil. Add your steak to the hot pan and cook on high heat for 2 minutes. And then flip and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. Lower the temperature after you cook both sides on high for 2 minutes each, and then cook for about 8 to 10 minutes for well done and 6 to 8 minutes for medium. Add some more butter. Now add some more butter as well as crushed garlic. Now that the steak is done, you can serve it with fresh steamed vegetables or whatever you'd like. And we hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.